This is Chef Inspire. I'm here today to talk to you about something that I'm really excited about. Listen up, this is so important. I was actually doing a study on a subject called epi-genetics. Now, you're saying, epi-genetics, what is this? Epi-genetics is pretty much a study of our genes and how our genes work and how our genes are influenced by our environment. Now, what is our environment? Our environment is our internal environment. That means our moods, our perceptions, the way we think, the way we perceive things. This is our environment, because a man could actually be in prison and feel free. A person can be in a physical environment that is not good for that person, and also in his mind, in his internal self, he can be in a great place. He could be in a great environment internally. Now, our environment is everything. Our perception is everything. I did a video on perception before, but this perception actually triggers the way our cells in our body work. So our cells work based on our mindset, the way we think, the way we see things, the way we perceive things. Our cells are controlled by our thoughts. This is powerful. Back in the day, in the medical industry, it was taught that genetics was a thing that had us to become sick. Like if your mom had cancer, you most likely gonna get cancer. Or if your mom had diabetes, it was a good chance that you would get diabetes. But that changes. Epigenetics changes all of that. Why? Because we have the ability, through our emotions and through our perceptions, to change our environment, our inner environment, that will cause our cells to change, our DNA to change, and us to receive whatever we desire. This is powerful information, guys. That means we have the ability and the power to heal ourselves. We can change our internal environment, our perception, the way we see things, and change the things in our lives. We can cause healing to take place in our body. We can change our DNA. We can remove the cancer DNA code that our parents passed down to us. We can do remarkable things by changing our internal environment, our perception, the things that we think about, the way we think about things. When we change the way we look at things, the things we look at change. This is powerful information. Powerful. You are not a victim anymore. You can be a participant in your own healing. You could be a participant in your own life-changing situation. You can heal your body from the inside out. Epigenetics. Epigenetics. Check this out. How this works is like this. When we have anxiety, when we have bad feelings, what happens is our body releases chemicals. Those chemicals cause the genetic makeup inside of our bodies, the environment in our bodies. So when we have negative feelings and negative emotions, we release chemicals like cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and this stress hormone causes our body to feel stress. And when that happens, it shuts down our cells, and it causes the environment in our body to change. the atmosphere in our body to change. This breeds sickness and disease. When our body is full with negative chemicals that our own body produce. And on the other hand, when we are feeling love and gratitude, it changes the environment in our body. It changes the chemicals that our body produce. Our body produces chemicals like dopamine, which gives us that good feeling, that loving feeling. In turn, changes the environment inside of our body, causing us to experience health, vitality. Love is a powerful emotion, and dopamine is a powerful drug that our own body produces. Our body produces good drugs and bad drugs based on your emotion, based on your perception. So what you perceive is everything. We have the ability to dramatically alter our lives. And the only way that we can do this is by the way we think. And how we change the way we think is to control our thoughts. We control our thoughts by meditating, by thinking of the things that we want to think about. That's all meditation is. It's not something spooky or freaky. No, it's just thinking about what you want to think about. If you want to think about peace, love, and joy, just think about that. If those other thoughts come, look at them, but don't concentrate on them. Because meditation is thinking about what you want to think about. It's not eliminating any other thoughts that may come to your mind. It's just thinking about the ones that you want. The Bible says we could take every thought captive and make it obey. We could take the ones that we want and meditate on, and take the other ones and get rid of them. This is the power of who we are. We are powerful beings with powerful things that could help us to change our own lives. Epi-genetics. This is a powerful thing, guys. This changes everything. This is a game changer. A game changer. Now we have the ability to alter our internal environment and cause healing, well-being, peace, love, and joy to be in our bodies and cause our bodies to operate at an optimum level. Do you get this? Do you got it? Good. This is Chef Inspire. God bless. Have a blessed day.